Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to use a cool tool called the QR generator. It is available for free on GitHub. This tool makes it easier to generate a QR code that can hold a links, a messages, or other type of information. This QR code are super handy for quickly sharing information like a URL or a text. URL stands for Unified Resources Locator. By the end of this video, you will be able to generate your own QR code with such various commands by using the tool I will be showing you from GitHub. But I will be guiding you through generating a QR code by using the AI, artificial intelligence. That's the simplest way. So now what you have to do is to go on the GitHub with this tool. This is the tool generated by A*, and you have to read about this. This is a powerful and versatile command line tool for creating and managing QR codes, designed for a Linux user who wants a quick and efficient way to generate, view and save a QR code directly from a terminal. So now here the features, key features: generate and save a QR code as .png or .gpg. That's the images extension, just pictures. Now display QR code as ASCII. Now there it is in a terminal. Offline functionalities. So now this functionality is more essential because some tools I will be showing you how to use artificial intelligence to create a QR code and scan a QR code, but this works offline rather than any other tool. About that, this QR generator is more powerful because it can display QR code directly in the terminal. Now here the installation, you have to clone it. So to clone it, you have to select this. Now here it is, and I copy this and I go directly in the terminal. Let me zoom up in order to enable you to see what I am doing. Let me clear this first. Paste the other link I copied because here there is also a git clone. Then I press enter. Now cloned 100%. Now there it is. If I type rectifier, there is QR generator. So I may navigate with that directory by change directory to QR-generator like that. Now if I type rectifier again, now here there is *.py. So without the requirements, it can't be as successful. So I have to go back there and see. First of all, I have to install Python. So I may copy this again. There it is. Copy, and I go back in my terminal and I paste what I copied and press enter. Now as you see, I already has it. So I go back in my web browser, and as you see, the following step is to change directory. So inside that directory, I am already in that directory. Here I am. So I go back there. The next process is to install the requirements. You have to copy it again and go and paste it alongside there. Then you press enter. Now there it is. I may clear this. So if I have them at all, what I have to do is to type ls. Now I have to give a permission to this application. It is just a Python application. Now as you see, this tool is made up of a single language. It is a Python. 100% it is a Python. So I may go back and give it a permission by chmod So guys, if you want the full video about the software handling, you will find the video in description as there is as it is on the upper side. There it is, and exe and asterisk.py. Now there it is. If I type ls again, now there I am allowed, now permitted. What I have to do to run it is to type python 3. Let me use python 3 instead of python, and the name of the program, it is asterisk.py, and I press enter. Now as you see here, enter the text for a QR code. So I may add, let me add subscribe to my channel, like that. And to exit, you have to press Ctrl+G. When done, then I press Ctrl+G. Now as you see here, they're commanding me to, do you want to display a QR code in the terminal? Let me first repress no. There it is. Do you want to save the QR code as an image file? Yes, I may save it. Choose the file format. Let me save it as a PNG. Press enter. Enter QR code color. So you may enter your desired color. Let me add a green. Sorry, green. I press enter. Change the background color. No, just leave it as it is. By default, it is a white. Then press enter without adding anything. Then enter the output file name. Let me add asterisk. Then I press enter. Now as you see, QR code saved as asterisk.png. Now if I type list file, and now here it is inside this directory of QR generator. Now there it is. If I navigate with there by just typing to null like that, and I press enter. Now if you try to view what is there, now here it is. Here is the QR code generated. So if it is there, now what I can show you as an addition to this tool, let me try to use it again. Let me clear this. Python, there it is. I may learn it again. Enter the text. Yeah, it is the same. Subscribe my channel, like that. And you have to press Ctrl+G to exit. Do you want to display the QR code in the terminal? Let me display it at this time. Yes, I want to display it. Now here it is. Now here the QR code, it is here. So what I have to do, let me not save it. Let me press N, that means no. Now there it is. Now this tool, it seems to be better if you want to encode some information to be sent to someone and be saved into your local storage as with extension of .png or .jpg. That's the image extensions. So the next step about what I'm gonna show you, I am gonna go back and search for an AI that can create and decode. That means that it can encode and decode the QR code. Let me search for it. Just QR code generator, like that one, and I press enter. Now here the result. So what I have to, let me use the first option. Right now I don't know which AI I can use that works properly, that can give me the answer, the what I want, just in a second. But let me choose the first one, QRCODE AI. Now there it is. Now here it is. Now here the long list of what you have to encode. It may be URL, or unified resources locator. It may be an email, it can be a phone number, it can be SMS, it can be a text, or a Wi-Fi, Instagram, what and what. So what we have to do is to, let me choose a text. I click on the text. Now I have to enter the text I want to embed inside the text box. It is just a subscribe. No, subscribe to my channel, like that. So as you see, now created. Now here the QR code. But as you see, if I change and I add subscribe only, so now here it is being created. That's very easy. So as you see here, you can change a color. Here there is a various color. It seems to be interesting because here there is a many colors you may choose. Now as you see, this is another style. You may use it. Now as you see, there is a various number of the AI that can generate a QR code. There are many out there. There are many, as you see, there is a various number of them. Now the next step is to show you about using the LibreOffice. Now let me go through the terminal and I type LibreOffice and I press enter. If you want to know how to install a LibreOffice, just find the video in description. Now there is a base database. Let me use a writer document. It works similar to the Microsoft Word. As I told you, if you want more, just find a video in description or in my video from my YouTube channel. So if you want to generate it in writer, just click on insert and go on the ORE object and find QR and the barcode and you click on it. Now you have to add the text as we use subscribe to my channel, like that. Now as you see, you may choose error collection. You may leave it as a default. Margin, just leave it as a default. It is a 1. Now there, choose it is a barcode. Not it is a barcode, it is a QR code. Just what you have to do is to click on OK. So now as you see here, there is, as you see, the word subscribe to my channel, it is embedded inside there. So I think, guys, thank you for watching. You just leave a comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for today.